Content creation is not a one and done thing. But how often should you update it? Is there a golden rule you need to follow? That's what we'll discuss in this video. The timing for content updates depends on the content type and its performance. Content focused on current information such as price comparison or industry news requires frequent updates to maintain accuracy, while evergreen content like tutorials or guides tends to need fewer refreshes throughout the year. That said, knowing when to update content requires content audits to find pages that need attention. Decreasing traffic numbers or rankings getting worse are key indicators for pages needing an update. But how can you find those pages? One of the easiest ways of finding pages that need content updates is using SEO testing. The Content Decay report looks at data in the last 12 months and compares the peak month to the most recent month, which shows exactly how many clicks each page has dropped. This report also puts the articles with the most clicks lost at the top, making it simple to find pages that could benefit the most from a content refresh. For pages that might be underperforming rather than decaying, you could use the low-quality content report. This report will scan your sitemap to identify content with low numbers of clicks and impressions, which helps you catch pages that aren't reaching their potential. When you can't use SEO testing, here's the alternative way to find which pages on your site need a content update. We recommend using Google Analytics 4 and Google Search Console as a starting point. These tools can reveal pages with declining traffic, low engagement, and poor conversion rates, which signal outdated or underperforming content. You also need to analyze your website's performance in search engines. When rankings start to drop or pages aren't ranking for their target keywords, they become candidates for content updates. A decline in search visibility often means your content isn't meeting current user needs or search intent as effectively as possible. Keeping an eye on your competitors can also help find gaps or areas to improve. When you see them covering topics more thoroughly or with fresher information, your pages should go on the update list. Another recommendation is to look at your pages to find outdated information. Pay attention to elements like statistics, time-specific references, and information about products or services that have changed. Pages containing old data or discontinued offerings must be updated immediately to maintain their value. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Our goal at SEO Testing is to save you time so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Now, back to the video. Now let's explore what a content update is and the types of content updates. A content update includes any change you make to the site. This can be as simple as adding internal links to a blog post or complex as completely changing how the site looks. A content refresh is a type of content update that involves editing existing pages. This process applies to any page, including articles and FAQ sections. Some content refreshes are minor, focusing on updating internal links or making small text changes, while others involve larger updates to change the search intent. Content refreshes can have a significant impact on organic traffic. A layout update modifies how some pages are structured and organized. This update affects the arrangement of page elements to improve user navigation and/or performance. For example, a business might update its homepage by reordering sections, adding features, or removing less important elements. These decisions are usually made based on customer feedback and tests that measure how users interact with the site. At SEO Testing, we used customer interactions to decide which questions to address on the pricing page, as these were common questions people had. A website redesign involves major changes to the site's appearance. This will be bigger than just doing a layout change on some page, as it usually impacts the whole site. Redesigns are complex projects requiring collaboration across multiple teams like management, designers, developers, and marketers. Because of the nature of redesigns, it's crucial to confirm their necessity before starting the project. Redesigns can cause a brief decrease in traffic while Google recrawls and reindexes the updated content. While website redesigns don't follow a strict schedule, updating the site look and feel every 2 years is seen as a best practice. The 2-year cycle also allows businesses to adapt to new web design strategies. A CMS migration is another type of content update. This process involves moving your site from one content management system to another, such as switching from Shopify to WooCommerce. Companies may do these migrations for various reasons, including easier management, improved site speed, company acquisitions, or adapting to new business needs. CMS migrations are complex, require significant resources, and careful planning. When not executed properly, they can lead to severe traffic losses. However, successful migrations can remarkably improve SEO performance. A temporary decline in traffic is normal after a migration while search engines recrawl the pages. Unlike the other updates, CMS migrations don't follow a regular schedule. Businesses should only consider migrating when the potential benefits clearly outweigh the risks. Content updates can make the site more attractive to search engines and users. When you refresh the content regularly, you will likely rank better and have higher traffic. This approach shows both visitors and search engines that the site is well maintained and active. Content freshness is a ranking factor considered by Google. They look at things like when the page was first published, the number of changes, and even freshness of backlinks. Updating content consistently also improves your overall SEO abilities, as each update gives you experience with keyword optimization and internal linking strategies, for example. Once you have completed a content update, it's crucial to measure the results. One of the best ways to do this is using time-based SEO tests on SEO testing. These tests will measure how the page performed before and after the update, letting you know what changes helped increase traffic. We have a 14-day free trial for you to give SEO testing a go. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.